Yo, what's up? So we got some bike prep going on right now for the Medina County Fair race tomorrow. I'll be racing my big bike, and also I'll probably be racing the Thump Star. I won't be racing this though. I need to get a swing arm for it. I did get it re-welded though, and I got some gussets put in it. You can see right here, had a weld a gusset in here, and also in here, just give it a little more support so it won't crack. But got a whole bunch of parts for my big bike we're gonna throw on today, get it all ready for tomorrow, make sure it's all good to go. But I'll show you some parts I got for it. I got a set of Works Connection factory edition radiator braces in the black instead of just aluminum. Got a Works Connection hole shot device. They got Zeta rubber killers for the handlebars so that when I fall the handlebars won't get tweaked with these rubber bushings that they got in here. Also we got some Acerbis frame guards, rub guards, and a set of ODI grips because I still have the stock ones on here. But anyways, about to start ripping on this, so that'll be that for bike prep. Alright, so got all the parts on my bike. It's all prepped for tomorrow's race. I'll go over and show a couple pieces that I put on. It was a little tough figuring out how to do the radiator braces. It had good instructions on what to do, but there wasn't really like good pictures to really show on everything to do, so I had to figure a lot out myself. But anyways, brackets, you can't really see them because they're bolted all behind the shrouds, but holds those radiators in there pretty good, and they're not going anywhere. So pumped on that. Got the hole shot device all set up. They give you pretty much all the templates you need to drill it, which is pretty nice, because the last one I had on my 125 didn't give me really any instructions at all, and I had to do it all myself, like measuring on where to drill all the holes and everything. It was just a pain, but with this Works connection, it went in perfect with no issues. Everything was described, so had no problems with that. But also got the frame guards. Those are on there. Those will be nice, keeping my frame from getting all scuffed up and everything. And then I put a new air filter in it. I didn't video that, but I put a new air filter in it, and then a set of rubber killer bar mounts, and those are real nice because the ones I had on there, my bars were tweaked already, and these straightened it back out. But shouldn't be having to deal with the problems of these tweaking anymore. So bike's pretty much wreck proof, I could say. I hope. Hopefully I don't go and break anything else. But anyways, that's it for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow once we get the bike all loaded up and headed out to the fairgrounds.